This is an exercise about computing compound interest. Find the amount in an account if $1,000 is invested at 5 3/8% compounded annually for 2 years. And we have a formula for finding compound interest. We say that the amount in the account A is equal to the principal, P, times 1 plus R over N, where R is the interest rate and N is the number of compounding periods annually, and that's raised to the power N times T, where this is the same N as this, and T is the time of the investment. So we need to substitute into this formula and then do the computation to find the amount in the account. We know that the principal is $1,000. We'll multiply this times 1 plus the interest rate is 5 3/8%. And this is compounded annually, so there's one compounding period per year, so we'll substitute 1 for N. And we substitute 1 for N up here as well. And this is, account is being held for 2 years, so we substitute 2 for T. And now we just need to do the computation. I'm going to write 5 3/8% as 0.05375. And I'm going to multiply the 1 and the 2 here. So I have this amount squared times $1,000. And that gives us 1,000 times, this number over 1 is just this number. And when I add 1, I get 1.05375 squared. And we could go ahead and square this out, or we would probably just do this whole computation on a calculator and go to the end result. And we see that we have $1,110.39 after the computation is performed. So this is the amount in the account after 2 years.